For nearly 20 years, we've been more than just a home service company. We've been your neighbors, your friends, and an active part of the Tennessee Valley community. What began as Crawl Space Doctor in Huntsville has now grown into Heartstrong Services, a rebrand that reflects our expanded vision while staying rooted in the community that has supported us all along. We're not going anywhere. Crawl Space Doctor started here in Huntsville in 2007 with one goal: helping families protect their homes from the ground up. By focusing on quality work and keeping our word, we built the trust that has fueled our growth. In an industry where so many companies are bought out or merged, we want to be clear. This rebrand is not the result of a private equity buyout or acquisition. Heartstrong remains family-owned, self-funded, and operated by the same leadership and team our customers know and trust. What has changed is the scope of what we do. Beyond crawl space repair, we now provide kitchen and bathroom remodeling, radon remediation, and attic and spray foam insulation. Heartstrong better represents the full range of services we deliver today while holding fast to the values of integrity, hard work, and care for people that started it all. The Heartstrong difference is simple. We put people first and build homes that last.